So we have three machines A, B, and C. The first operates 1% defective items, and B and C produces. So this is A, B, and C, 5 and 6, and 1% each. So these are the defective items that is produced by respective machines. A produces 50% of the things, B does 30% of the job, and C does 20% of the job. It's a very standard, simple, straightforward question. A defective item is produced. What is the probability that it is produced by machine A? So we are looking at figuring out machine A produced the defective item that we chose, right? So along the X horizontal, actually it's not X, it's horizontal, but anyways, I'm calling it as X. So along the horizontal, we have the machine output. And here it is if it's defective or if it's good. So basically quality. Again, it's not a standard practice to do this. It's something that I just made up, but it's helpful. So you don't have to think too much about labeling this. Okay, coming back. So we have 50% of time. Machine A is producing the right, and we have machine B and machine C producing 30 and 20 respectively. So those are the output. So A produces 50% of the time, while B produces, let me write it this way itself, looks neater, and B produces 0.3 and C produces the product 0.2 times. So we have C producing 7% of defective items. I mean, whatever it produces, 7 out of 100 is defective, while this produces 5 and this produces 1. Of course, this does not reflect the actual percentage, but anyways, 0.01. This is 0.05 and this is 0.07. Okay, so these are all the defective ones. So 0.99 non-defective or not defective. This is 0.95 not defective, and this is 0.93 not defective. Right, guys? And then we have the formula. Us getting an output from machine A and that turning out to be defective, divided with probability of A into defective by A plus probability of our product being from B, machine B, and we getting a defective from B plus C and defective from C, closing the brackets. Right, guys? And finally, it would be substitution. So before that formula, probability of event A is outcome of event A divided by number of outcomes in event B. Probability of A given B is number of outcomes that is common between A and B divided by number of outcomes in B. Okay, and finally we'll substitute. So I think I'll do it over here. Okay, so we have 50% of the time. So 5 by 10 divided by defective being 1% if I'm right. Yeah, 1 by 100. So it's easier to cancel this way. So I'm just going with this. So 1000. Then over here, machine B is 3 by 10 into it being defective is 5 by 100 and 5 by 10 into 7 by 100. Okay, so in all the places, we have thousands. In all the terms, we have 1000 in the denominator. So we can cancel them. And finally, we have 5 by 15. Okay, so 1, then 10, 11, 55. So 1 by 11 is your answer. Done. Oh yeah, sorry. This is not my bad, guys. This is 2, not 5. And this entire thing will be different. Okay, now let's do this again. So 5 divided by, this is 2014, right? 20 and 14, 20, 14, 34. Sorry, my bad. This is 5 by 34. This is supposed to be 20%, nah?